Hey friends, welcome to the inspiring segment of Tales by Tales to Tango. Today we have a very inspiring story of how a homemaker can actually become such a serial entrepreneur. A tale of Dr. Anju Mathur. Dr. Anju Mathur started her career as a volunteer with the Spastic Society of India. She went on to further completing her PhD in child psychology. Thereafter, she became a senior professor in the Northeast Regional Institute of Management. She's been the secretary of Asra Gramin Vikas Sansthan and the promoter of this beautiful property called Khushi Farms just before Ajmer since 2017. She set up Khushi Farms almost 2 decades ago with a view of providing a lot of employment to the nearby villages in and around Ajmer. Besides doing all the social work, Dr. Anju Mathur has also been the president of Assam Police Wives Welfare Association up to 2009. Her current feather to the cap is that she is the divisional chief of the Aam Aadmi Party in Ajmer. So let's welcome Dr. Anju Mathur's tale and see her journey as to how a small idea can become such a great employment providing opportunity to so many people around the village.
Thank you, Tales to Tango, for asking me to tell my story. When I was making my house after buying this farm, there were women workers, construction workers, who were crying one day sitting there that they have no means of earning their livelihood except for working for this construction line, which is not paying them as much as the men are getting, and they were being their children were not getting education. So that put a thought into me that let us start working for the women in rural areas where they are neglected. There are many NGOs who are working in the city, but there were none working in the rural area. At least in this area there were none. Khushi Farm is located in Rajasthan on the outskirts of Ajmer, 15 kilometers towards Jaipur. An NGO named Asra, which started in 2002 with the sole aim of providing some help to the rural people in areas of literacy, empowerment and skill building. We found that people here in around our community, around our farm, especially women, especially girl child, was not given their due. We worked towards empowering them, worked towards educating the girl child. Been working for last 20 years, and we have empowered, I can say, at least 300 women who have built their skills through our initiative, who are earning their own livelihood. They are not dependent on their elders in the family. And during COVID times, we helped through food grains, through oil, wherever the community, wherever in remote areas, the laborers were not having anything to eat, we could arrange for grains, arrange for food items for them. We provided masks free of cost, sanitizers. Khushi Farm is an organic farm. Means we have completely stopped using chemical fertilizers. We are fully organic. We use organic manure. And the best part of it, running an organic farm, is that our farmers around our farm are getting encouraged to start their organic farm. We grow all rabi crop and also kharif. It is a place which has got a showroom, a cafe, an amphitheater and lawns. It's a center for arts and crafts. We are building up a cultural hub where we have already had many programs on music, dance and theatre on our amphitheater. Showroom is a place where we are putting our product, where we are displaying our products made by our artisans who have been trained by us, and also our agriculture produce. Plus it has got lawns where children from various schools and colleges and all come and get learn about organic farm, learn about the handicrafts, learn about how to run an NGO. We have workers who are from local areas who work here. They are trained here. Everything is done by the people from the local. We train them. It takes time to train them, but we are building their livelihoods. We are building their communities. They are learning culturally relevant, socially relevant things from coming to this farm, and we are very happy supporting so many people have a better life. Though the work is, it's just, I would say, just a drop in ocean. It's not that much. Lot is still required to be done, and hopefully the next generation which is there, which will learn and maybe carry forward this work forward, as it is a very, very satisfying work, and hope to continue till I can.